Good morning, class. Today we will be looking at adjectives. Now, before we start with today's lesson, let's quickly refresh your minds by looking at a noun. Now, some of you probably wonder, what can a noun possibly be? Well, let me tell you, it is anything you can see. It can be a place, a person, a thing, and even an idea. An example will be a dog or even the couch. Guys, it's anything you can see. Now that we know a little bit more about nouns, let's look at adjectives. Now, adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. We should always try to use positive words to describe people. An example will be the kind boy. And if you want to use more than one adjective, you must make sure that it is in the correct order. An example will be the beautiful young girl and not the young beautiful girl. Now, guys, numbers can also be adjectives. 2 apples, 5 boys, any number. And adjectives can also be possessive. My cat, your house. And then lastly, it can also be comparative and superlative. An example will be the happy girl, the happier girl, the happiest girl. I hope you all understand this. Now let's look at a little song based on Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for you to remember. Adjectives describe a noun, how things look, feel and sound, sad or bad and shiny blue, numbers, shapes and colors too. Adjectives describe a noun, how things taste, look or smell.